Have you heard of discriminant in a quadratic equation before? If yes, do you have issues solving any quadratic equation? Watch this video to the end. Let me show you how you can use the discriminant to know the nature of the root of any quadratic equation. This will guide you whether to spend time solving or not. This is what we call discriminant, b squared minus 4ac. For example, if this discriminant, like in this case, b squared minus 4ac, if it's less than 0, it means the solution of that quadratic equation has a root that can only be solved with complex numbers. Like it has two imaginary roots that can be solved using complex number. For example, in this equation, x squared plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. This equation has a root that can be solved by complex number. If the discriminant is greater than 0, like in the case of x squared minus 5x plus 6, remember the first one I said, when the discriminant is less than 0, it means it has two imaginary roots that can be solved using complex number. The second one is if the discriminant, or when the discriminant minus this is greater than 0, like in this case, x squared minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. It means that this equation has two distinct roots and can be solved either by factorization or by using the formula method. You can spend less time solving this one without having issues. But in this case, it means you apply complex number. So the third one, when the discriminant, like b squared minus 4ac, is equal to 0, it means that that equation has two similar roots. It has a root, can be factorized easily, but the roots are similar. Like in this case, x squared minus 6x plus 9. This equation, if you solve it correctly, it has two distinct roots, or sorry, two similar roots, identical roots, because the discriminant is equal to 0. So you can factorize this or use formula method, any other method to solve it. So like, let me say it again. This one, when it's less than 0, the two numbers, the roots are imaginary using complex number. When it is greater than 0, it has two distinct roots and can be solved correctly. When it's equal to 0, it means it has two identical roots. So this is how to use discriminant to know the nature of the root of a quadratic equation, and that will guide you whether to spend time or not. If you like what I'm doing here, subscribe to this channel and share the video. Bye bye.